What's going on, everybody? It's your mind back in another video. And today's video, we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. I want to show you my Subway Surfers collection. It's not that much. You know, I don't really have a lot of coins or a lot of keys. And I don't have, like, I barely have skins. Yeah, I don't have a lot of skateboards either. I need to buy a lot of things on that game. But, yeah, I need to buy so many things on that game. It's not even funny. So, yeah. It's Maya. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy this video. Okay, so I only have, like, this skin. I don't have that much stuff. So I have this skin. And I have all this. It's not that much. That was Zombie Jake. I don't really have that much boards either. You know, I wish I had more boards. Because I'm really disappointed with the boards I got. I only have, like, all of the... I only have, like, everyone. That's just... Yeah, but, I have all these skins. You know. All this. Yutani was easy to get. I don't know why everybody's saying Yutani wasn't easy to get. Get 30 free, but I'm gonna buy, like, more boards. I've been needing boards. I've been needing boards a lot. I've been needing boards so much, it's not even crazy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna buy, like, maybe 500. That's not that much. No, 500 is not that much. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy 500 boards. I don't have many money. I'm just wasting all my money, bro. I don't have any money. 500. Zooey, mom. Yeah, so this is me. You know, I don't have that much things. So, I'm gonna try to beat my world record. Let's see, I'm at the top list. Forget that game. That game is trash. Wasn't even that much. I don't remember picking this. Am I at the top run? I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. That's Chris. Edward's doing good. Good job, Edward. And lowest is 214. Highest is my score with it. 20. Okay, I have a lot. Okay, I have a big high score. That's all you need to know. Oh my god, so much ads on this game. Hey, who might have Brad go? Okay, so what skin? I don't have a lot of skins. And ooh. Sunset. This would be one that she would ride. I don't know. Would she ride Cherry? She would, yeah, she would ride this. Wait, no, there's no special effects. Really like this. It's Pink Trail, Smooth Drift, okay. No. I'm gonna try to go fast and use up all my things. Oh my god, I just went. What do you mean, brother? I'm not liking this. Under the W. I'm not liking this whole drift thing. Oops, I died. What? I was about to say. Ooh. I thought somebody beat me. I was about to say. But I just collected my word. I need my boosters too. Did I upgrade everything? I still can't upgrade this. Why can't I upgrade my multiplier? Okay. Watch me beat my high score in seconds. I'm not accepting this. I need it's unacceptable. I need my high score and everybody else's high score. I'm close to beating my high score. Now it's time to beat this Schwab guy. That dude. This guy's dead. Get destroyed, Schwab. Now this guy too, he's about to get mastered on. These people have any idea who I am? Okay, well, I'll be right back because I am almost about to beat this. I'll be right back when I beat this guy. Okay, so I'm about to beat this guy, the guy I was on last time. And I just beat him. Okay. So this guy's about to get destroyed too. You ever hear that noise? If I do, oh no, I gotta swing. I don't know if you hear that noise, but okay, I'll be back when I destroy this guy, because he has a pretty high score. Okay guys, so I'm so close to beating her, and yeah, I've been playing for about 30 minutes already, and I still haven't beat her, so yeah, I'll get back when I'm close to beating her, because I'm not that close to beating her, so anyway, I just said I'm close to beating her, but in reality, I am not close to beating her, so I'll see you in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I've been playing for a long time now, and it feels like I'm not even getting closer. But it looks like I'm closer than I was earlier, so that's good. And yeah, I've been playing for like an hour now, hour or two, I think, and I still haven't beat the same person. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. Yeah, so this is kind of boring, just doing nothing but playing this game. You know. It's actually boring, so I don't recommend this. You know, I do not recommend this. Do not do this. It's up to you, but I'm probably never gonna do this again in my life, because I already made the high score, and I'm going for it again. Yeah, so it's not fun at all, because all I do is just sit here for like an hour, bro. I've been playing for about 2 hours. The last time I checked in to y'all was an hour ago. So, yes. And before I made this video, I was playing, for an hour. So this is 2 hours counting this. Yeah, I don't recommend this. This is really boring. Nothing to do. Like, you could always pause it, but it might delete, so I'm not gonna pause it. I'm actually really hungry. You know, I feel like I'm not getting closer to this person's high score, and I'm not. I swear I'm not. But it's been like this for like freaking long time. It's been like 30 minutes, just nothing. You know, it started out a little fun, but now it's just boring. Yeah, I'm just my head hurts, my neck hurts, looking down. No, it's trash. Don't, I mean, if you want to, but like, don't recommend it. Do not try to make the high score on Subway Surfers. I do not recommend this. I'm probably just gonna try to beat this person. And if I beat this person, you know, yeah, I beat him. This person's a freaking god. But at least I might be able to pass my high score twice. This video is probably gonna be long. So I don't recommend watching the whole thing. But you could watch it if you want. I mean, you could probably watch half of it now and watch the rest of it later. Because this is this is probably gonna be a very long video. It's only about to be 14 minutes, so usually my videos are like 10 or lower. Usually they would be. That's what I want them to be, but hey, sometimes you just gotta go overboard. I'm probably gonna be forcing, like, I'm probably gonna be posting 6 times today. That's a lot. But yeah, I'm probably gonna post 6 videos today. I made some of these videos, a couple days ago, but I'm posting them today because, I didn't really want to post it. But nothing hard about posting. I was just bored, and I wanted to watch YouTube. So, yeah, shout out to Subway Surfers. Isn't sponsored, but I mean, I wish it was sponsored. Dang, I would get money, bro. Good money. I'm not getting money. Well, this is gonna be a long time. Probably gonna be the longest video I've made so far. Oh yes. Okay, well, I'm liking this. I turned off the sound because I was getting tired of it. It was annoying. And yeah. So this is literally all I've been doing all day long, and it's really frustrating because it's just boring and there's nothing to do. All you do is this, what I'm doing. I'm gonna be this person I score. They're gonna be like, somebody beat my score. Oh, I'm so mad. Okay. Yeah, I'm just bored. I'll catch you up later, guys. So I just paused it, but I am paused it now since I got some time on my hands because I'm using this thing. I'm not getting any closer, like at all. So just stay tuned and watch because in this video for sure. In this video, I'm gonna pass this person. I have to, bro. I'm gonna open like so many mystery blocks after this. Yeah, but oof, dang. Yeah. Comment down below if you think I'm good at this game. Besides the coin with the keys. Yeah. Because if you think I have money hacks, that's not true. I've just been playing for a very long time. This is so boring. This is really boring, guys. So, don't recommend this. Don't do this. How did I die? I don't get how I died. I'm super close to beating this person, though. So, yay, I guess. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. I only got 7 freaking booster things. I only got 7. I'm bored. Yeah, so, yes, ma'am. I'll be right back, guys. I beat it, everyone. I'm at Sonic right now, but I beat it, everyone. So I'm back to the high score, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.